Count 3, failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, positive for cocaine. And Abraham, Thomas Patrick Abraham, 24W8330005.
Good morning, Your Honor. We should be bringing back my final approach. Do we want to get the adjustment?
Yeah, call Jessica.
Should be here then in like 30 seconds.
Yeah, I know. She's great. Your name, sir?
Thomas Abraham.
All right. So we set a sentence for today. He has been struggling. This is with regard to the show cause dated October the 9th. And I have another one here. Yeah, I'm not sure. What do we do on this? I don't.
We've adjourned. I mean, he submitted responsibility, then we had adjourned to set.
I don't think he admitted, did he?
Yeah, there was a moment where we had to go through just clarification, but yeah, he's admitted.
All right, I gotta refresh myself. Your name?
That's going on.
I said a sentence on this. He's got 5 counts here. Did I take pleas to all those counts?
I believe so, yes.
And I didn't write it down?
Yeah, you took pleas to all counts. We did just miss count 1 though.
Okay.
That's what I have listed from the last hearing, which was October 16th.
That's accurate.
All right, I need another probation violation sheet here. Like something happened. All right. So you're saying count 1 was dismissed as part of the show cause of October the 9th. It was scheduled for the 16th, 1 week ago, right?
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
Then defendant pled guilty. Just give me 1 second, please. So count 1 was dismissed. I'm going to prepare a register because obviously if I did, I didn't do a very good job. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Wait a second. I see what happened. All right, my mistake. He pled guilty. This just didn't get stapled to the register here. Count 4 was dismissed on your motion.
That's correct.
I accepted the plea to count 1, 2, 3, and 5. That was cocaine metabolite. Number 1 was a positive test for cocaine.
That's correct.
Count 2 was a positive test for a cocaine metabolite. Count 3, failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, positive for cocaine. And count 5, failure to submit to testing as ordered on September 30 of 25. Why did I adjourn this a week?
Your Honor, in this circumstance, I asked for 2 reasons. First, to show that he was going to continue to test negative, which he did reflect 7 negative tests. And secondly,
He tested negative?
for the last 7 tests, yes, Your
Is
Honor.
that right?
That's correct. He appeared for test and every test was greater than that 7 tests since October 5th that he appeared for.
Okay.
And another issue that the court took into consideration, we were very thankful for, was my client was closing on a house that he was able to successfully do on October 17th.
So, okay.
And I had further allocution.
Did we talk about sobriety court?
Did the team voted no on?
Yeah.
It was, I think, regarding count 1 being the fact that he brought in outside urine
Yeah.
for that test, and that was regarding why he was.
All right. What do you want to say?
Your Honor, I will note in positive that he is reflecting a negative test. He is in the guidance center 3 days a week. He is attending AANA 3 to 4 times a week, seeking a sponsor. Judge, he's dedicated father at this point to his 3 adult children, 34, 31, 27. He's also dedicated to his grandchildren at age 13, 9, and he has another grandchild due on November 11th. On work as a CDLA and assist in tree removal. Judge, he discarded all the toxic friendships and relationships he had that were adding to obviously his questionable behavior, but I know a little bit later than we would have anticipated or wanted him to start, but he's starting to accumulate some success in his sobriety, and it's anything that we can do to help encourage it would be greatly appreciated by the court. As I indicated, my client's not working. He's retired for 29 years as a Delta bag handler, which I think did lead to prescribed medications, which took him down this road. Just hoping that he's emerging.
Why did that lead to prescribed medication?
Well, he gets back injuries.
Okay, that's what I thought you were alluding to. That seems like a tough job. I mean, at least at my age. Okay, what do you think here?
So again, I think he was a good candidate for sobriety court. I really thought that was the best option for him, but considering that he won't be applied in it now, I am a little concerned just because being on regular probation, the testing and kind of some of the guidelines is not going to be as strict as sobriety report would be. And I worry with him that if we especially while we're testing down and things like that, he's gonna start testing positive again, is my concern.
Your Honor, as far as regular probation, is there a way that you can have regular probation adopt some of the conditions of sobriety court?
We can't pay for anything. That's the problem. That's the problem.
As far as splitting the baby to at least sidestep the potential for time in custody or having re-screened for sobriety court. I mean, in the meantime, he's at least doing negative tests, but anything the court would like to consider, my client is more than willing to adhere to.
I mean, it's only 3 months old. Mr. Abraham, what do you want to say?
I'd like to say that I, got much to be thankful for and to live for. I don't wanna go backwards in any way. I closed on the house. I've got a grandson coming, my first grandson, and I'm willing to, give him my best shot. I don't want to disappoint myself or you or the court. I just want to continue.
All right, I've heard enough. Let's adjourn this. Let's try to get him back in sobriety court.
You wanna try that again?
I do. You pull any more of that nonsense with bringing in urine or missing tests. If you're not successful in the next 4 weeks, I'm not going to take you in sobriety court and I'm going to send you to jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
At least I'm starting to see that maybe, just maybe, you're showing a little bit of interest in getting off of that junk. Well, give me about 4.5 weeks, Lisa.
Do you want to do a sobriety court day?
I want to, we're going to send him back and see if he can try to get through the bond phase of sobriety court. You're to comply with all of the terms and conditions that they tell you to. And then we're going to set it out long enough where the team can evaluate to see how it's done and make a determination as to whether or not we should accept them.
Okay, November 26th at 8:30.
I think that's enough time. November 26th at 8:30. That's the day before Thanksgiving, so you do what you gotta do. You go talk to Ms. O'Donnell, she'll set you up with sobriety court people, probation officers. We'll go from there. Go down the hall, get your notice. You're still on thin ice with me. You can't bring in urine. That's ridiculous. I mean, that alone causes me to say I should be sending you to jail. But at least you're, looks like maybe you're trying now. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, but don't hold your breath. If you violate again, I'm telling you, Mr. Abraham, I don't want to threaten you. I'm telling you, you're not going to like what I'm going to do. Okay?
I should thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks, Mr. Shumke.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.